I don't know where you're going with your body. I diss him 1 year, so I'm actually just leave him alone or else a war.
Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. Yeah.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Demetrie and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm here with my friends Chantel and Kyle. You can follow me on Instagram at I am Demetrie.
Mystical Queen.
And Rushy_.c fam.
Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. As you can see from the title, this is a prank call in my Jamaican friends, right?
Some are full friends too.
Yeah,
I didn't mention I have only for friends.
He has nobody.
I just like.
When I'm a friend though, yeah, you would just get with my friend, like them. Oh, them are the clone that I talked about last time, yeah?
When you're a big friend. Ready?
Alright guys, so our first caller,
What you mean about she name? What's her name again?
Zakil, you know so we love you already. I want my first subscriber them, big up yourself.
If she answer.
She have answer, Zakil I got answer.
If she answer, she can't reply.
I don't mean to say maybe the phone is malfunctioning.
No, you're not tired that make you let me hurt.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so remember to subscribe, you know, comment down below.
Like the video please.
Please, yeah, like it. Nobody watch it and I like it.
Speaker.
Come put some in your ear. Like a ring.
I'm very nervous.
Zakil! Answer this here! Answer this!
Voicemail. Tribe.
Can't we can try her back one more
What
time.
time?
Like, she know that church man went to them.
You can edit here.
Yeah, Thursday.
Edit it out. Voicemail again.
She answer. She have answer, kill I got answer.
Edit it out.
Alright, so Zakil flap will show you. So Zakil answer. So we're gonna try with next caller.
Ooh.
Which is, let's go with Maki one. Let's try Maki one.
Let's try Mark.
Yeah, Maki one.
We feel like we can manage
What
it.
is?
It's a C number here. We can manage
Let me
right
call
here.
her. Put it in it, like, I'm nervous, like, Maki one extra, yo.
What if I edit it?
And you, Zakil, me, I'm gonna call you back, okay, with the answer. You remember the credit I call you?
Dimitri.
Marky one.
The word I call the word phone.
Yes.
This will start ringing it now. That's why I have to edit it out.
Hello? Hello? Is this Markel and Maki one? Like, I'm from Nigeria. Like, I'm from Jamaica, but I'm Nigeria now. I saw your name and your number popped up on Pornhub. Like, are you a sex pimp or whatever? Are you a sex pimp? I saw your name popped up.
No.
Oh, you're not? But I saw your picture on it and all that. Somebody, like, say, oh, your number there. She ain't gonna.
Monkey one, I'm really sorry. It's just for a video.
My friend.
So this
Okay.
Emilio.
Your name?
Emilio.
I'm famous. I forget the
Remember
name.
what? Him kind of talk funny, so.
No, that. Not the groups in there. Man, that's sweet, guys.
Emilia, it's time you stop looking the 7th grade girl. It's time you stop. It's time you stop looking the 7-year-old girl. It's time you stop.
What? Wait, what?
And I also seen your TikTok page, and I think it's time you stop TikTok. Like, I don't see why you're doing it in the first place.
Hold on. What is that here? Ah.
You need to stop doing TikTok.
Him now the man has no behavior. Not like if that's him hang up no. Hang up.
Yo!
Chantel says silver green. It says Can I say silver
I feel like them friends
Guys.
here.
Guys, the accident is supposed to be 7th grade, not 7-year one.
I did not do that. I would just love to you.
It's just all for fun and joke.
Yeah, like.
Okay.
Oh, guys.
Alright, so
Who are
Abigail time.
I will go with Abigail then.
Yes,
So when me I go do,
Demetrie-
me I go tell Abigail say me they used to like her, but now she fat and everything.
Never done you.
Like,
This
this
is
one,
Shero.
like, let's go.
Answer no, can you ever depend call?
Except she remember me.
Nervous, bro. You really thinking back?
Hello? Abigail?
Yeah.
You remember Kyle, you remember me?
Kyle.
Yeah.
Demetrie said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know some have something I want to tell you though.
What up?
You know say like last year me they really like you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but from me see one of your recent picture of him, I kinda get fat and ugly. I'm really not feeling no more.
Alright. You don't know?
See now not more say.
No.
See just I get fat and ugly and just stay so walk around you.
Me alright by myself.
I remember a man from digital now go on you. So
I'm not some practice.
why it have to be one prank?
I can't catch it. No, I can't catch it.
We got that about.
Alright.
Alright, Abigail, it's a prank. Say hi to the YouTube channel.
Because you can't get up and call me, sir.
She got a call me, you know?
Like,
People know.
ah, there you
I
want
had to
it.
take up with time with credit as well. See you later.
So that one
Oh,
was
God.
a fail.
But actually it did funny though.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that was
My
so-
sister she attacked me with your pass here while me say.
She grew up to get confident about
Yeah.
her fatness.
Full of chat, damn it, now take it back.
Let's go with Damian.
Bitch, let me tell you something. You need to leave Richard alone. Because I tell you this, him no want you. I don't know where you're going with your body at this same 1 year. So I'm actually just leave him alone or else a war.
Like, Chantel friend them too classy. Like,
Weird.
them and the bigger argue.
Weird.
Them
Weird.
just, okay, I ain't go.
Like,
Weird.
I don't know, lower class.
fun.
man. My friend for call her and tell her it's a joke.
Yes.
Call her back so she not gonna kill
I'm
her.
just
So she don't go kill him, man.
Yes.
Yeah. So you know, like, you want to do too hard.
Yeah, Chantel go too
No
far.
feel like she got answer.
She really black in her
Yeah, she
back.
feel like no feel like she got answer.
I hope she do though, not gonna kill her herself.
What a music. God, that is not that.
No.
Go there.
Please answer, girl.
She not gonna answer me.
Alright, we're sorry, it's a prank though. It's a prank.
No, what the
though.
fuck you got this on?
I know how it feels, it's a prank. When Chantel go home, she tell you. And I'm a friend them again, the time Rihanna. So we that pranks them pass away. Like,
This is
see
the
how
last
she
one.
The last one. This is the way I come and practice, we know?
I realize that you and Demetrie are friends. I just want you to know that he has passed away, and so we're like contacting all the people we see in his phone. But oh my god, I just know that you and him are real good friends, and I just can't do it. But I hope you have him in your prayers, please. Hello? Is someone on the phone?
Yeah, I'm on the phone.
You heard what I said? His name is Demetrie Murray.
Yeah, I know who you're talking.
Mom, I'm just so sorry. Were you and him real good friends?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Will you be okay?
Yeah, I'll be okay.
This is a prank.
You're not even a ball. Like, you're not even a ball.
The friends you have.
Are you alone find this funny? Like, everybody else serious.
Me love her. Me love her.
Ain't nobody that cry wicked.
Okay.
It's on my YouTube channel. Alright, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
We don't have no friends.
I Demetrie now only for her.
He has nobody.
So let's end this off then.
Yes, sir.
Because I feel like we did real good.
And Demetrie friends don't care if he dies. So.
Like, I found that out
So
today.
yeah, established life.
So guys, thank you for
Tell us you're not only for friends.
Don't stop, I will get very emotional. Get very emotional.
Yeah, so guys, just remember to subscribe and like
Like.
the video. Yeah, so Demetrie, anything else before you left?
He has no friends.
Like, end this up on me guys.